Welcome to Lecture 2, Environmental Science 1401, and we're going to actually be starting the real meat of this course, and this is going to be a busy lecture, but please watch all the videos that go along with this, because don't forget your tests are going to be based on the content of the videos as well as the content of the book, and the videos provide a little more detail to the lecture I'll be providing, and can show images that I can't show in my lecture video. So we're going to be looking at how organisms fit into ecosystems, and particularly through feeding. We're going to see feeding is basically a way that creatures make their money, and a lot of us are basically pirating from each other, taking resources from one creature and using it from ourselves. And we're going to look at some of the implications of that too, particularly with anthropogenic effects. That means our effects on the environment and how it affects creatures and their relationship to feeding and the environment. So understand from this the word ecosystem particularly, and how creatures interact in the ecosystem. So we'll be getting into more detail on this, but everything in the rest of this course is going to be based on our understanding of how we affect the Earth's ecosystems, and eventually we're going to look at bigger units called biomes, and eventually the whole Earth. So have fun with this lecture, but it will be uh, um, pretty involved work for this week.